Welcome to JC Heating and Air Conditioning Systems, Inc., your trusted partner in the heart of Anaheim, California. We bring over 20 years of dedicated service and expertise to every project. Our team specializes in a comprehensive range of services: heating system installation, heating system repair, air conditioning installation, air conditioning repair, and more. Are you ready to experience the ultimate comfort in your home or office? Don't let another day go by with a subpar heating or cooling system. Take the first step towards a more comfortable environment by contacting JC Heating and Air Conditioning Systems, Inc. today.